Variation of g with altitude or height. We know gravity on the surface of the earth is given by g on the surface is given by gm upon r square. Let I say this is the equation number 1. Now we consider a point P which is at a height h from the earth's surface. The gravity at height h is given by gm upon distance of this observer, this person from the center of the earth will be given by h plus r. So you will say it is r plus h whole square. This is equation number 2. If we divide equation 2 by equation 1, we will say gravity at any height h upon gravity at surface, let us say it is g only, equal to r square upon r plus h whole square. So gravity at any height h is written as g r square upon r plus h whole square. This is the expression for gravity at any height h from the earth's surface. Sometimes we can get the situation when object is very close to the earth's surface. Means we say h is less than radius of the earth. So gravity at any height h is given by g r square. From this r plus h whole square we take r square common. So it is 1 plus h upon r whole square. R square cancel. Gravity at any height h is given by g. Then 1 plus h upon r power minus 2. Now we will apply the binomial expansion. Binomial expansion for higher power. It is given by 1 plus x raised to power minus n is given by 1 minus nx. So you apply the same binomial theorem. You will get gravity at any height h is given by g 1 minus 2h upon r. This is equation number 2. So for the height variation g, we can use this equation or we can use this equation. This equation will be used when h is less than r, and when h is comparable to r, we will use this formula, that is gh equal to gr square upon r plus h whole square. So finally, formula for the gravity at any height h, if h is up to 5% of the earth radius, means that is a 320 km from the earth's surface. In that situation, we will write h is less than r, and we will use the formula gravity at any height h is given by g 1 minus 2h upon r. But if h is greater than 5% of the earth radius, means greater than 320 km from the earth's surface, then we will use the formula gh is given by g r square upon r plus h whole square. And formula for the decrement in small g with height h, if h is up to 5% of the earth radius, means we will use gravity at any height h is given by g 1 minus 2h upon r. Now we have to calculate delta g upon g. Delta g, that is a gravity at surface minus gravity at any height h upon g, that is a gravity at the surface. Means we have to check how much change in the gravity due to height h. So initial gravity minus final gravity divided by initial gravity. G surface is g minus gravity at any height h is given by g 1 minus 2h upon r upon gravity at the surface is g. We take g common, it is 1 minus 1 plus 2h upon r upon g. G C G cancel and you will get it is 2h upon r. So gravity at any height h divided by the gravity on the surface is given by 2h upon r.